Cabinet Secretary of Interior and Administration of National Government, Professor Mithika Linturi, has ordered the Security Committee in the Western region to give a detailed report on the safety of gold mining in Bumutiru mines in Butula constituency. Speaking to the residents of Bumutiru when he visited the area, Kindiki said that if the report shows that mining there is unsafe, the government will have no choice but to close it. Accompanied by Western Region Commissioner Irungu Macharia, Butula MP Joseph Oyula and Acting Busia Commissioner Kipchumba Buto, the CS also ordered that the miners in the area to register with the mining department.
Or the representatives of all the companies that, there's an opportunity for you that were invited, or the companies that in one way or another do it. But the overall understanding is that if we have no... Okay. Some of you have decided to ship the maize, to ship the rice to South Sudan and to Tanzania. We sit here, we've even impounded some of these commodities under our custody at various borders. This is unacceptable. We are going to cancel those licenses for those unscrupulous business people. We are not sorry about it because that was not the intention. We will not give duty waiver for people to get to enjoy that loss of government revenue by re-exporting rice to Tanzania, to South Sudan, or anywhere else. And of course, we end up also, we may decide to prosecute those people. And if you understand the concept of this duty waiver, was to ensure that we are informed before we produce. So if you were to bring maize in the month of July or August or thereabout, it will not serve the purpose because we'll be harvesting in August. Since this is the time I need the maize, and after the 15th of July, I will not accept anything from outside.
That is Linturi, who